rental properties being both commercial or domestic in nature. Repairs. A repair is something that rectifies a defect rather than replace the whole structure. Number two, maintenance. Maintenance is something that you do to an item to ensure that it continues to operate in the way that it's supposed to. Three, initial repairs. Initial repairs is when you buy a property sort of on the cheap, and before the property is tenanted, before a tenant is in there and you are generating rental income, you decide to repair the property. Those expenses form part of the cost base, which means they are added to the price of the property to become part of the overall cost. Number four, capital expenditure. Capital expenditure relates to an actual structure, putting in a new asset. For example, a driveway. That is capital in nature. Putting in a new deck or a pergola, that's capital in nature. And so with capital costs, they need to be depreciated over the life of the asset. Now, depending on the type of the asset, sometimes it might be 40 years, sometimes it might be significantly less than that. Number five is depreciation, which overlaps to some degree with capital. Ultimately, it's about getting assets and understanding how long those assets are useful for, and the depreciation is increments of the expenditure being claimed year to year, depending on the life of that asset.